Like, by the way, I'm proud to be, as I said, the first vice president, first black woman to serve with a black president. I'm proud of the role of the first black woman in the Supreme Court. There's just so much that we can do because together there's nothing. Look, this is the United States of America.
U.S. President Joe Biden made a verbal slip during a radio interview, mistakenly referring to himself as a black woman, amid growing calls for the 81-year-old leader to reconsider his re-election bid. In an interview with Philadelphia's WRD, Biden appeared to confuse himself with Vice President Kamala Harris. He stated, "By the way, I'm proud to be, as I said, the first vice president, first black woman, to serve with a black president. Proud to be involved in appointing the first black woman to the Supreme Court. There's so much that we can do because, look, we're the United States of America." Biden seemed to be highlighting his historic appointment of Kamala Harris as the nation's first black female vice president. He also referred to his tenure as vice president under President Barack Obama, and the appointment of Ketanji Brown Jackson, the first black female Supreme Court justice, by his administration in 2022. This gaffe occurred as Biden addressed nearly 24 Democratic governors at the White House, where he mentioned the need for more rest and lighter work hours, humorously noting he should avoid events after 8 p.m. According to the New York Times, Biden quipped in response to a health query from Hawaii Governor Josh Green, saying his health was fine, but just my brain was the issue. A remark that didn't land well with all present. As the president navigates the pressures of his role and the demands for clarity about his future, this incident underscores the scrutiny on his capacity to endure the rigors of another term.
I remember as a Catholic kid growing up in an area where we didn't like Catholics didn't get elected. I'm the first president to get elected statewide in the state of Delaware when I was a kid. Well, you know, I looked at John Kennedy and said, well, he got elected. Why can't I get elected? By the way, I'm proud to be, as I said, the first vice president, first black woman to serve with a black president. I'm proud of the role of the first black woman in the Supreme Court. There's just so much that we can do because together there's nothing. Look, this is the United States of America.